What up, y'all? Yeah, on my way to Liz. She did 2 cars yesterday, Saturday, which was yesterday was Saturday. She did 2 cars by herself, got them done in 2 hours. It's about $450 total for the jobs. She made I think she made like $260 or something in 5 hours. So, you know, you do the math. Actually more than that, because she got a $30 tip, so it was like around $280 she made in about 5 hours. You know, the way we had this structured, the packages and all that, you know, we're not going to be spending all day on a car. So yeah, it might be lower in price than, you know, the market value of details, but it's also done in a lot less time. So we're doing details pretty fast, and we're doing a pretty extensive detail at that. So whichever package they get, you know, there's a time strain on it, and you know, we're always pushing for about 100 an hour for the business. Today she has 2 more that she's doing. She's a beast, man. She's a beast, and you know, she's always never declining work, always wanting to work, always wanting to do make more money. She's a single mom, so we're headed to her spot right now. Man, this cop telling me, man, up close on my bumper, man. Shouldn't they be following the same laws as everybody else? The heck, dude? Oh my God, look, he pulled me over. Give me the correct price for the tags or something.
Oh, okay.
And so they readjusted it, and I didn't know about it.
They didn't even know. Didn't see nothing in the mail let you know about it?
I mean, you know, they might have, but okay. I wasn't aware of it though.
Okay. Well, do you have driver's license, insurance, registration?
Yeah.
All right, just your driver's license back. All this right here, man, should be a warning. Just
Okay,
make sure you
thanks,
take
man.
care of that as soon as possible.
I will.
Because if you get a ticket for it, man, it ain't gonna help your whole situation. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I
it's
know.
complicate things up with the DMV.
Yeah,
okay.
And I'm not trying to get my insurance going up or anything.
But all that is my information, a little bit of your information, the reason why I stopped you. All right?
Okay.
Any questions for me?
No, thank you, man.
Of
yeah,
course.
I was like, man, he's gonna see them tags.
Well, man, good luck to you. All
All
right,
right, man, appreciate it. Yeah. It's annoying, man. It's annoying. You can see how frustrated I was. You You know, just riding up on my tail. Then he honked the thing like I didn't see his lights to turn. It's just annoying, man. It's just annoying. But, man, just deal with it. Be respectful. Man, y'all ain't got to worry about nothing, man. Like, I haven't had any problems with like, asshole cops, really. I mean, some of them are assholes, but so what, man? Everybody's assholes. Really? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
He's like, when do I give them lunch?
Yeah.
Oh man,
I like that red though. That red is nice.
That guy yesterday
Yeah.
gave me a dressing.
What kind?
I guess I have the bottle at home, but it's called Slick.
Oh yeah.
And yo, I'm gonna buy that, but you could use it for the interior and the wheels.
It's nice.
Nice. And you don't have to like
it goes on slick?
Yeah, bro, like silk. Like you don't even really have to wipe it up or blend it. You just
Oh, you spray it?
Yeah. It's like a aerosol
But what
can.
about the windows?
Yeah, well, we'd have to do that first.
I feel like it would make, man, use it. I'm worried about the I don't care about these windows, but the windshield is, like if it's sprayed on the windshield, oh my gosh, that would suck. So we just have to, maybe we could cover it somehow. I've seen those aerosol ones. I just didn't know.
But it would also save room in the bag, in my bag.
Why?
I won't have to carry two because it only fits like
four
things, you know?
How much is it?
Rags. I think it's like $10 for a can.
You know how many ounces is in it?
No, it's probably like that big though.
So like 15 ounces probably?
But on Amazon you can get 3 for 30. So it might be a little bit more than 10 by a single.
Yeah, I mean, dude, if it works on it speeds it up, I mean. I ended up getting pulled over too, just now.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
My registration. They suspended my registration. I guess I owed them money or something.
I never heard of that.
I never did either. Well, when I tried to pay on the website, that's what they said. Said it's been suspended. Man, I like that red though. What time did you get here?
8.
8. Really just gotta wipe down some more things and then dress, and you're done, right? And back, just a quick vac.
Yeah.
You said it was really dirty, right?
Oh no.
Well,
Overall,
the front area, yeah. So like 3.5 hours once you're done, probably. And then you got one more interior, which is a gold. What time how long do you usually take you to do an interior for that?
The interior?
Yeah, is it an SUV?
Yeah, I think. I'm just gonna do a basic goal on that one though because he just wants to help he bought it from a smoker.
You told me we can't guarantee that, right, with that package?
But if you wipe everything down and like I'll do a shampoo on your driver's seat where he smoked.
Yeah, it's really around the headset. Exactly, the visor and the top part, like that whole wherever the smoke travels. That's where you kind of get it. And if you spray actual like degreaser and stuff on it, you can actually see the nicotine coming out. It'll start dripping. But I would use a steamer. Pretty good winter so far, huh? Better than normal winters.
Yeah.
So what, you did 2 yesterday, 2 today, on your off days, on weekends. What do you have to say to detailers who are lazy and don't want to work on weekends?
I paid my rent just from Friday and then what I got tomorrow, from Friday to Monday.
Yeah, and rent's not cheap. So what, 3 days you get your rent paid? Yeah, so my wife is sick at home. Son is sick, so I gotta go make them some soup real quick, and then probably go work out. But yeah, that's the day. She still has one more to do. It'll be, let's see, what would it be? It's gonna be about $500. About $500, and she's gonna be done. It's 11:30. She'll be done by about 1:30 or 2. 1:30 or 2. She'll be done for the day, and we'll be able to pocket. I don't know the price, but I want to say $250, maybe more, depending if they tip too. Sometimes they'll tip you $100. So yeah. The difference is I do all the stuff that nobody else wants to do, and they just go do the details. Now she is responsible, since she's getting a higher percentage. She is responsible for the calls and scheduling, but I also take calls and scheduling as well. But I also do the back end work and get a lower percentage. But you can see with the amount of time that you're putting in, you can say, oh, I want to go start my own thing. I'm going to do my own thing. But then you're doing the exact same thing that they're doing. Can't get the customers that I'm getting. Can't get the volume that I'm getting. And you don't have to think about all the back end work that 99% of people don't do. You know, they're just job owners. So if you're going to be a job owner, it might as well be stress-free and just be able to pull up to the job and just get it done and make full-time income with part-time hours. I mean, you know, but not everybody's at that level of, you know, psychologically, they don't understand the ins and outs of business and life and things like that. So I don't blame you for being mad at it. But look, if you're interested in learning more, need tips, would like to ask me any questions about the detailing business, anything that would help you in your business or help you start your own business, or even if you wanted to partner with me, either way, just let me know. I'll leave my I'll leave my email in the description, and you can just email me and let me know that you want to jump on a call or something. All right, see y'all later.